Hi, my name is Ayaka. I live in Osaka, Japan. I've been playing the fiddle for 4 years. When I first heard Irish music, I went to Ireland on holiday and I fell in love with Irish music. That's how I started playing the fiddle. After I went back to Japan, I wanted to have Irish teachers, so I was looking for some Irish music lessons online and found oaim, and so it was really helpful to learn real Irish music. Tola Casti tutorial was easy to follow. I learned so much from his classes. He played slowly at first and he taught how we can do ornamentations and Irish techniques on fiddle. I've been to oaim fiddle retreats twice. I wanted to meet people who love Irish music and play the fiddle, and I also wanted to see Tola Casti because I've been only taking his lessons online, so it was nice to see him in person. It was amazing, so that's why I took the fiddle retreat again and want to come back again.